G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. This is June 14, 2023. This is the British Pound US Dollar currency update. On the weekly and daily, we've got primarily long positions. However, there is a bearish divergence on the hourly, so just got to be mindful of that. Let's look at each of these. On the weekly, first off, the triple moving average of the price chart and the moving average of the CCI 150 are aligned, and it's giving us this bullish signal. On the daily, likewise, that signal is a bullish signal, so long trades only on the hourly. But on the daily here, we can see here we did have a Fibonacci retracement. It broke through the 61% after it bounced off there a couple of times during those days. It fell down, but then it bounced up and broke through that 61%. And that's always a key area to look out for. When it breaks the 61%, going long or short, that's usually a change of direction. So what it's doing here is potentially a longer term trend to the upside. There's no divergence on the CCI compared to the price chart. It's all tracking according to the price, so there's nothing to see there apart from that 61% break to the upside. However, on the hourly, there's a couple of things happening here. The price is continuing to rise. We did draw the bearish divergence previously up to that point, and that's still in play because you can see there that bearish divergence is continuing up until there at least, so it's still on a downtrend. So we're going to delete this channel and we're going to delete that Fibonacci and we're going to extend that bullish divergence to the same level as the CCI. You can see there it's still a bullish versus a bearish divergence on the CCI. So that's still in play. So what we're looking at here then, let's redraw those channels and those Fibonaccis to identify the breakout, which is the channel. So if it breaks below that channel is a breakout to go short. And if our initial target will be the lowest Fibonacci there to the highest point there. So our initial target will be, that's the previous target level. Let's move it up to that point. So if it breaks below that channel, that's our initial target area. And our secondary target area will be that point there. Just bring that down a bit. So that's our initial target area. That's the 61% to the 78% level. Of course, there's no guarantee it's going to execute that, but there's no fear yet unless you enter the trade there. If it breaks below that 61%, which, as I said earlier on the daily, if it breaks below the 61%, that's always a key area for a potential trend reversal. So at the moment, we'll just keep an eye on it. This may continue higher in the short term, but as long as the CCI keeps breaking down and the price that can go up, but it can also start breaking to the downside. So I'll see how that goes in the coming days. On the longer term, you can see there the bullish backtest with the averaging down as the price is declining, and the bearish backtest. You can see there as the price is declining, we're gaining profitability in the backtest, and as soon as it started gaining momentum to the upside, it started averaging down on the bearish side, and the profitability on the bullish side started improving. Now, the way to avoid those average downs would have been to, again, looking back here to February 22. If I go back to February 22, from that point there, you can see there is primarily short indicators on our daily, and February 22, only short indicators on our weekly, no long trades. So you would have avoided taking those long trades. You would have only taken the short trades. Likewise, when the price started moving to the upside on the weekly, only long trades on the weekly, and a few long trades on the daily. So you would have made sure they aligned before taking those long trades on the daily. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe to my Patreon page where we also do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in a future video.